Number 19 says a volume of 0.7 liters D5LR is running at 72 mLs per hour. The IV was started at 1520. So to find the infusion time, I need to set up a proportion with the rate, which is 72 mLs per 1 hour, and the amount that we are trying to infuse, which is 0.7 liters. So I can convert that to 700 mLs and then solve the proportion. And we get 9.7, and then it's 2 repeating. And you should put all of the decimals. So this was hours, but we need to express the infusion time in hours and minutes. So I do need to multiply the entire decimal by 60. And we'll get 9 hours, and it's 43.3, so we round that to 43 minutes. Then to find the completion time, we are starting at 1520, and we're adding 943. So the minutes are 63, and the hours are 24. Now we need to account for the minutes, and we need to subtract 60. And whenever you subtract 60, you need to add 1 to the hours column. And that will get us 2503. And then there is no 25 in the 24-hour clock, so I need to subtract 24, and we get 0103. So that will be our completion time.